Welcome to Saleh Academy. This video is on what is electricity. Electricity is the most common form of energy. It is created when electrons flow through conducting wires. None of us exactly know that what is electricity. The concept of electricity and theories behind it can be developed by observing its different behaviors. For observing nature of electricity, it is necessary to study the structure of matter. In the year 1808, John Dalton, an English scientist, proposed a theory that every matter is composed of a very small unit called atom, and it is the smallest particle of an element that can exist. Atom consists of one central nucleus. This nucleus consists of positive protons, chargeless neutrons, and surrounded by numbers of orbital electrons. Each electron has a negative charge of minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and each proton in the nucleus has a positive charge of plus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Because of the opposite charge, there is some force of attraction between the nucleus and orbiting electrons. Number of electrons is equal to the number of protons in an electrically neutral atom. Atom becomes positively charged ion when it loses electrons, and similarly, atom becomes negatively charged ion when it gains electrons. Orbit closest to the nucleus is always under a tremendous force of attraction, while the last orbit is under very weak force of attraction with nucleus. Hence, electrons in the last orbit are loosely attached to the nucleus. The last orbit is called Valence Shell, and electrons in this orbit are called valence electrons. These valence electrons requires a very small amount of energy to detach themselves from their parent atoms. These electrons are referred as free electrons, which move randomly inside the substance and can be transferred from one atom to another if subjected to thermal or electrical energy. Any piece of substance which as a whole contains an unequal number of electrons and protons is referred as electrically charged. When there is more number of electrons compared to its protons, the substance is said to be negatively charged, and when there is more number of protons compared to electrons, the substance is said to be positively charged. The basic nature of electricity is whenever a negatively charged body is connected to a positively charged body by means of a conductor, the excess electrons of negative body starts flowing towards the positive body to compensate the lack of electrons in that positive body. Hence, we can conclude that electricity is the flowing of charged particles, that is electrons, in an electrical conductor. For this type of tutorials, stay connected to this channel. New tutorials will be uploaded soon. Happy learning, goodbye, and thank you for watching.